If you run an agency or any kind of B2B business, you need clients. So to get these clients, one of the best ways to do it is through cold email. Taking a person, finding their email address and sending them an email offering your services. This is proven to be the most predictable way, the most affordable way, and also the highest quality way to generate these high quality leads, book a bunch of great sales calls and get a bunch of good clients for your agency or for your business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find these people to reach out to based on your target audience, based on your niche, and how to find their email address for completely free. The first thing we need to understand when we want to do cold outreach and we want to reach out to prospects, there's two parts of finding their email. First, we need to find the person we want to reach out to, and then we need to find their email. But finding the people who we want to reach out to is for sure the harder part. So based on your target audience and based on your niche, there's few different ways to find these people. For example, if you target different agencies or different service providing companies, one of my favorite places to go is Clutch. This is pretty much just a database of companies that you can hire, and there's a bunch of different niches that you can go into. So let's say that you want to reach out to digital marketing companies as a client. So what you do is you come here and you select digital marketing, and then you select your location. So let's say you are in the United States, just press search and boom, immediately get over 28,000 results. And here we can go further in and you can select specifically what kind of services they should be selling, what kind of price ranges they have, what industries are they in, what kind of reviews they have. So you can just find companies that would be a great fit to work with you. When you see these companies that have the sponsored mark here, it means that they are paying Clutch to get their company featured on top of the list. And what that means is they are spending money actively in trying to find new clients. So let's say you have a B2B lead generation service or some kind of revenue generating service. These are premium clients to reach out to because they're probably spending $6,000, $8,000, $10,000 a year in being sponsored on Clutch. So let's say that we go through here and we go through all of these companies and we see, okay, Naked Development. There's a few different tools to find the emails for free. Obviously, there's a bunch of really great prospecting databases like Apollo and LinkedIn Sales, but if you don't have the budget to pay for those, you need to find something free. First thing you need to do is you take their domain and you can use either anymailfinder.com or you can use hunter.io. So what you just do is, let's say you want to reach out to Naked Dev, is you come here and you just paste their domain and you see, okay, boom, nakeddev.com, and you click it, and then it's going to give you the email of their CEO, the email of their CDO, their creative director, account manager, and then you can just take this email and then you send them an email. And the same thing goes for Anymail Finder, and you just throw in their domain like this, boom, you press search, and then it finds you all of these emails. The one thing that I don't like about Anymail Finder is it doesn't always give you the titles like hunter.io does. And also in Hunter, you can do like bulk uploads. So you can upload like a huge list of domains. You can take like 100 domains, upload all of them here, and then you get all of their emails. And then you can just create email campaigns for them. Also, one really great tool that I really like when there's a bunch of companies that I might want to work with is something called Instant Data Scraper. And in some websites, you can directly scrape the domains. This is all the data it's gonna get you. It's gonna get their company name, their information, their rating, their Clutch profile, their locality, their blog quote, and you can scrape all of these companies from just pressing CSV or copy all. And it can give you all of their domains. And then you take all of these domains, you put them into Hunter.io's bulk search here, and then you get the emails of all of these companies. Obviously, getting the emails is super easy, but where do you find great companies? A few of my favorite ways to find these great companies is, first of all, Clutch, like I mentioned. Another really great way to find companies who are really in need of your service is looking for companies that are hiring people in your area. For example, let's say that you sell a B2B lead generation agency service, you can just go look at companies who are searching for SDRs and hiring new sales reps, because you know that if they're hiring new SDRs and hiring new sales reps, you know that they're looking to make more sales. So then a B2B lead generation agency service would be perfect for them. It would align completely with their goals. A great way to do that is you go to Indeed, and here you can just write SDR, let's say United States, and you press search. And from here, you can immediately find over 700 companies hiring SDRs. And you can see what is their budget for this service. And you just take these companies, put them into Hunter.io, and you can say, hey, I saw that you were hiring for a new SDR, so I assume you're looking to get more leads and more clients and more calls and booking their calendar. I have a solution for you. We can do it completely for you, and it's actually way cheaper than hiring someone to do it. Would you be interested in to hop on a meeting next week? One also really great way to search for leads is finding small custom lists. Let's say that you work with startups. A really amazing way to find these startups is just go to Google and just search top 100 startups in Europe. And you just take all of these lists, 101 European startups to watch and work for in 2024. And then you can just take all of these companies and reach out to them. You can come in here, you can press instant data scraper, and it gives you all of their domains. You take these domains, you go into hunter.io, you get an email of the CEO, and then you send them an email. Hey John, I found your company SumUp from the list of 101 European hottest startups. Congratulations on getting on the list. I wanted to reach out to you since we help startups do X, Y, and Z. Boom, would you be interested? I would say top 3 best performing cold email campaign that I've ever ran was exactly with the same method. We scraped like top 1000 trending startups in the Nordics and we reached out to them. And we were booking like 7 calls from 100 emails sent. We could reach out to like 200 companies a day and we could book like 10 to 15 calls. And because of that, we literally 4x'd the companies we worked with. They were doing 16,000 a month. We ran those campaigns. After 2 months, they were doing over 88,000 a month because it's so powerful. So if you run an agency, like that's exactly what you should be doing. And it doesn't just go for startups. You could do top 100 IT companies in New York. You scrape this, you reach out to them. And if you send 50 or 100 of those emails a day, you are gonna be booking a crazy amount of calls every single month. And then you just need to close them and deliver an amazing customer experience and scale your business. And of course, if you're interested in learning how to do that, you can just check my YouTube videos. I have a bunch of videos, really scalable systems that work extremely well. Thank you so much for watching. Drop me a like and drop me a subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.